Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Open settings and make sure notifications are allowed for messages. Then check Do Not Disturb or any focus profile. If enabled, turn it off so pop-ups can appear. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches and then open Messages to test. If messages still don't pop up, force stop the app and relaunch. This resets the app state without deleting data. These quick actions fix most simple notification blockages and get you ready for deeper troubleshooting. Next, dig into the Messages app settings. Tap a conversation and confirm conversation-level notifications are enabled. Some threads can be muted separately. Make sure pop-up or on-screen preview and banners are turned on so messages show while you're using other apps. Then check battery optimization. Exclude messages from aggressive battery savers and allow background activity so the app can receive push notifications. Once you've configured these, send a test message to verify banners, sounds, and pop-ups behave as for stubborn cases, clear the messages cache or update the app. Updates often fix notification bugs. If SMS or MMS delivery seems unreliable, reset network settings to restore default connections. This can resolve carrier-related notification failures. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent system-level issues. If things go wrong after these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different messaging app briefly. If notifications work there,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.